Remove 2 screws from the left hinge. Rotate the hinge up and out of the way. Disconnect the ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the single retaining screw. Rotate the board and lift it from the guidepost. Place the power button board onto its guideposts and the keyboard bezel assembly. Secure the board with a single retaining screw. Connect the ribbon cable to the system board. Rotate the left hinge down and into place. Place the power button board onto its guideposts and the keyboard bezel assembly. Secure the board with a single retaining screw. Connect the ribbon cable to the system board. Rotate the left hinge down and into place. Secure the hinge with 2 retaining screws. Use your fingernails or non-metallic pry tool to start. Be careful not to scratch the LCD panel surface, and use caution not to cut your fingers on the thin edge of the LCD bezel sheet. Use your fingers to work around the edges to remove the bezel sheet. Remove 4 screws from the LCD bezel. Carefully unsnap the tabs of the LCD bezel and remove it. Place the LCD bezel onto the LCD panel. Carefully press the bezel into place, working around the edges until it snaps securely. Install 4 screws. Carefully align the LCD bezel sheet and press it onto the LCD bezel. Lift and carefully turn the LCD panel over. Peel back the adhesive tape and remove the LCD panel. Carefully place the LCD panel face down on the LCD cover. Secure the LCD cable with adhesive tape. Turn the LCD panel over and place it onto the cover using the screw posts for alignment. Remove 2 screws from the left hinge. Rotate the hinge up and out of the way. Disconnect the LCD panel cable. Release the main antenna cable from its guides. Remove 3 screws from the right hinge. Rotate the hinge up and out of the way. Remove 2 screws from the camera and microphone cable bracket and remove it. Disconnect the camera and microphone cable. Release the auxiliary antenna cable from its guides. Lift the keyboard bezel off of the LCD unit. Place the keyboard bezel onto the LCD unit, aligning it with the hinges. Install the main antenna cable into the guides. Connect the LCD cable. Rotate the left hinge down and install 2 screws. Install the auxiliary antenna cable into its guides. Connect the camera and microphone cable. Place the camera and microphone cable bracket onto the screw posts. Install 2 retaining screws. Rotate the right hinge down and install 3 screws.